What's up, Whale Gang? Corrupt Syntax here again. It's taken me about a year just going through, getting new guns, and I got something for you here today. First of all, I'd like to thank the Whale Gang and the community, Ghastly, Phil, T-Tac, just everybody that makes up the community and the content. It really makes my day from week to week, feeling a part of the community. So I want to get back to the community, and today I have the KRISS Vector. This is a 45 caliber ACP. It takes regular Glock mags. I'll get to that in a second. The cool thing about the KRISS Vector is you might have seen it in Total Recall. It was something featured there. Also, that the unique thing why it's so bulky and why you have this piece right here is that instead of the bolt coming straight back and into your shoulder, which can cause your barrel to rise up, this is what they have called a recoil mitigation system. Basically, the bolt itself has a pivot point right about here, and then actually pivots in two different pieces. One right here that locks the round in the chamber, and then the bolt carrier assembly here, actually those two pieces will actually pivot down. So every time you fire, it will actually come down and bring it back up. Now, I'm still working on knowing how to properly aim this thing because it's all over the place on the targets right now. But it is a lot of fun to shoot. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and fire off some rounds. By the way, I have the 30 mag extended crystal clear magazine. These are 45 ACP bullets, just standard grain. I think it's 240. I think that's what it was. So here we go, KRISS Vector. We are out. Chamber clear. It's all fun to shoot. It really is. I don't know, there's a lot of power behind it because it's a 45. This is the Gen 2. They do have the, they originally started out as a 9mm, then they jumped up to a 10mm, and then finally made it in a 45 configuration for this platform. I do have a 3X scope that will sit on the Picatinny rail, and on top of that I have already received a just a real cheap red dot sight that will fit on top of the scope. So these will go away. You'll have the scope right here, and then you'll have the red dot. So I'll get some range on it, but when I need to get up close I can just get a little higher. So yeah, KRISS Vector Gen 2 45 ACP. Fucking love it. Love you, Whale Gang. All hail Blue Whale.